Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and schedule a meeting on the Microsoft Teams mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface of the app. Direct your attention to the bottom of the screen and tap on Calendar. This is where you'll be able to view all your scheduled meetings and create new ones. Now tap New Meeting to begin creating your scheduled meeting. This will open up a new screen where you can configure all the details for your upcoming meeting. At the top, enter the meeting title in the designated field. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates the purpose of the meeting so participants know what to expect. Below the title field, tap Add Participants. This is where you'll invite people to join your meeting. Enter their names or email addresses, and as you type, you'll see matching results appear. Tap on the correct person from the results to add them. If you need to invite multiple people, simply repeat this process for each additional participant until everyone is added. Once you've added all your participants, tap the check icon in the upper right corner to confirm your selections. Now it's time to set the meeting schedule. Below the Participants section, tap the Start Date field and select your desired date from the calendar picker that appears, then tap OK to confirm. Right beside the start date, tap the Start Time field, adjust the clock to your preferred meeting start time, and tap OK. Next, move down to the End Date field and tap it. Select the date when your meeting will conclude from the calendar picker and tap OK. Right beside it, tap the End Time field, adjust the clock to set when the meeting should end, and tap OK. These date and time settings ensure your meeting appears correctly on everyone's calendar and sends proper reminders. Below the time settings, you'll see options for repeat, location, and description. Tap Repeat and you'll be able to select whether this meeting occurs never, every day, every week, every month, or every year. This is particularly useful for recurring team meetings or regular check-ins. Next, tap Location and enter where the meeting will take place if needed. Then tap Description and enter any additional details in the designated field that participants should know about the meeting. After you've filled in all these details, tap the check icon in the upper right corner. Then tap the check icon in the upper right once more to save the meeting. Your meeting will now appear in your calendar, making it easy to access and manage later. For instance, if you tap on the meeting you just created, you'll see all the details you entered. From here, tap Copy Invite Link. This generates a shareable link that you can now send to participants through email, chat, or any other messaging platform, making it incredibly convenient for people to join your meeting. And that's it. You've successfully created and scheduled a meeting on Microsoft Teams mobile app, complete with all the necessary details and a shareable invite link. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.